The BBQ Vortex is very simple yet effective to use. I've seen these at Steak Cook-Off Association contests where people's using them with steaks, taking that first place award in the wing contest. So today we're going to show y'all how the BBQ Vortex can cook 4 different ways, and we've got our Weber kettle set up. This first way we're going to show is the infrared setup. So we have the medium BBQ Vortex in the Weber, upside down where the big part is up. So we've got a layer of charcoal around the outside of this, and this would be when you would do like an upright chicken where you don't have enough room on the top grate to stand it up. So this is actually going to set on your charcoal grate, allow you to put the lid over it, and it's going to get some good heat from the sides with this lit coal around it. This method is the indirect. We still have the Vortex with the big side up, and you would want to use this like on a low and slow cook where you've got your grate above this. You would set a pork butt or whatever you're wanting to smoke right on top. Your charcoal would go around, and as it burns around for your low and slow, this is going to deflect the heat around that pork butt, come up. Now what I like to do with the low and slow is you can start one side of this, and that way you get a long burn as it comes around to all this unlit charcoal, and that's going to give you multiple hours of cook time for this pork butt that's going to be smoking all day long. The next method I'm going to show you is the direct method, and so we now have the small side of the cone coming up. So we are going to put charcoal right in the middle. And so on this direct method, this thing is going to turn into a searing machine. This is what you're going to take your steaks, your pork chops. If you want to get some good grilled chicken, you get this right over the Vortex, and it's going to throw off some serious heat. This method I'm going to show you is the direct indirect method. So this is going to set up the same exact way as the direct, except we are getting our indirect cooking where we're going to cook some fantastic wings, burgers, jalapeno poppers, whatever you want to throw on here, it's going to cook it. Get you a BBQ Vortex where you can be the king of the cul-de-sac, the champion of your family, and the best steak cooker around.